Good evening, everyone. This is Nawaz sir here. So we'll be discussing part B of practice paper, which was recently conducted by Board of Secondary Education in schools. Let's go through the instructions first. The instructions are answer all the questions. Each question carries 1 mark. And answers are to be written in question paper only. Marks will not be awarded in any case of overwriting, rewriting, or erased answers. Write the capital letters A, B, C, D showing the correct answer for the following questions in the brackets provided against them. Important to note here, 25% of your marks of out of 80 marks, 20 marks are here. So that means 25% marks of the total 80 marks will be from MCQs. So when you are answering, answer it calmly, like when you are confident. Give some time for each question. Read the question twice and thrice. 2 से 3 बार पढ़े क्वेश्चन और जब ही आंसर करें. बहुत ही इजी था ऑब्जेक्टिव बिट. Let's start with this. Now, the first question here is, if 3x plus ky plus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0 are parallel lines, then the value of k is. This question, ये question जो है सो linear equation of two variables में से लिया गया हुआ है और इसमें बता रहा है कि दोनों लाइंस पैरेलल है. तो जब लाइंस पैरेलल रहते हैं, we have the condition that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and it is not equal to c1 by c2. But I'm taking only a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 because not equal to c1 by c2 is not required here since we are finding the value of k. Now substituting the values of a1, a2, b1 and b2. a1 is 3 here, a2 is 2, b1 is k and b2 is 3. So upon substitution, we get this as 3 by 2 is equal to k by 3. So on cross multiplication, we get k is equal to none by 2. That means the correct option is C. Next one is, which of the following pair of linear equations have unique solutions? Again, unique solution means the other name, like the in the other way it is asked as intersecting lines. So if I am looking at the options which are given to us, option A, in option A, a1 by 2 means 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2, and b1 by b2 means again it is 1 by 2. So they are not parallel lines. Sorry, they are not intersecting lines. So option A, option B also, in option B also, a1 is 1, a1 is 1 and a2 is 2. So 1 by 2, and b1 is -1 and b2 is -2. So again it is 1 by 2. So option B is also not correct. Option C, a1 is 1 and a2 is 3. So LHS we are getting it as 1 by, a1 by a2 we are getting it as 1 by 3. b1 by b2, let us see b1 by b2. b1 by b2 is 2 by 6. 2 by 6 again it comes as 1 by 3. So again here only that condition fails. So let us we are left with only one, that is 3x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. So that means the correct option is the C bit. D bit is the correct one. This one is the correct answer. Now let's go for the next one. Next question is, next question please. Next question is, A is given as the set of 2, 3, 5, 6. B is a set 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Then is asking us to find A minus B. So A minus B, for finding A minus B, what we does? we have to write the set A minus the set B. Then after this, what we does is we need to look for the elements of A in B. If the element of A in B, if the element of A is in B, then we don't have to write that element. But the first element here is 2, so 2 is not there in B, so we are taking 2. 3 is there, 5 is also there, so 3 and 5 we are not taking. 6 is not there, so A minus B is 2 comma 6. So your correct option is 2 comma 6, that is A bit. Right, now let us go for the next one. The nature of the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square plus 3x minus 5 equal to 0. Many times he is asking this question or similar to this question for checking or for knowing or for writing about the nature of the roots. What we have to do is we have to find the discriminant of the given equation, given quadratic equation. So we are taking the given quadratic equation 2x square plus 3x minus 5 equal to 0. Herein is 2, b is 3 and c is minus 5. So discriminant formula d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Substituting the values of a, b and c, we will get this as 3 square minus 4 into 2 into 5. That is 3 square is 9, 4 into 2 into 5 is 40. 9 minus 40 is minus 31. So this one is lesser than 0. So when discriminant is lesser than 0, we get no real roots. Let's go for question number 5. In question number 5, A is given as 5 comma 6, B is given as 1 comma 3, C is given as 3 comma 6, and these are the vertices of a triangle ABC. And he's asking us to find the centroid of the triangle ABC. We know the formula for the centroid of the triangle ABC is G equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Upon substituting the values, we get this as 5 plus 1 plus 3 by 3 and 6 plus 3 plus 6 by 3. So 5 plus 1 plus 3 is 9. So that is 9 by 3 and 6 plus 3 is 9 and plus 6 okay. 15 by 3. On cancellation, 3 ones are 3 threes are this one. We are cancelling this. 3 ones are 3 threes are and 3 ones are 3 fives are. Okay. So the answer is 3 comma 5. The correct option is the B1. Next thing, this is one is a direct question. In area of sector formula, A is equal to x by 360 into pi r square. What x stands for? The correct option for this is angle at the center of the sector. Angle at the center of the sector, that is the C bit is the correct option for this one. Let's go for the next one. Next one is the mode of the data 3, 7, 8, 7, 10, comma 7, comma 10, comma 3 and 5 is. So here the mode is nothing but mode is the definition of mode is the most repetitive value. The most repetitive value, and the most repetitive value in this one is 7. So the answer for this one is this one. B is the correct one. We are go for the next one. Let's go for the next one now. Here the formula for total surface area is given, that is A equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. In this formula, h represents is asking. So the answer for this one is h is nothing but we know it is height. No, it is height. So dv is the correct one. Let's go for the next one. Which of the following set is an empty set? Which of the following is an empty set? Set A is given as x such that x is an even prime number. We have even prime number. Yes, we have. The even prime number is 2. So A is not an empty set. Let's go for B. B is equal to x such that x is an odd positive composite number, he is saying. Odd positive composite number, do we have? Yes, 15 we have. 15 is there, 9 is there. 9 is also odd 9 is odd composite number, as well as 15 is also odd composite number. The C bit says C is equal to x such that x belongs to natural numbers. X belongs to natural numbers and x lesser than 0, he's saying. X lesser than 0. So natural numbers, we all know natural numbers starts from 1, and there is no 0 in natural numbers, and he is saying x lesser than 0. So the correct option here is C bit. C is equal to x such that x belongs to natural number and x is less than 0. Let's go for the next one. Question number 10. The solution of a pair of linear equation 5x plus 4y minus 13 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. Since these are MCQs, what I suggest, instead of going for the cross multiplication method, what we can do here is we can substitute the values of x and y which are given in options. So if I take x equal to 1 and y is equal to 2, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2, that one is satisfying this equation as well as this equation. Yes, x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 is satisfying both these equations. So for me, the correct option is A. Like directly we can we can answer it easily. Solution means the values of x and y. So if I'm substituting here x equal to 1, this one will become 5 plus 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is 8. So 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 minus 13 is 0. Same thing, let us substitute here. 3 1s are 3 and 2 2s are 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 minus 7, again we are getting 0. So for me, the correct option is A. Now, let's see the next one. Question number 11 is expanded form of log 350 is dash. So first we have to prime factorize 350. So if I am prime factorizing 350, I am getting 350 as 2 into 5 into 5 into 7. That 2 into 5 into 5 into 7, I will substitute it at the place of 350. So I get that as 2 into 5 into 5 into log 2 into 5 into 5 into 7. So log A plus log B plus log C log plus log D. So log 2, log 5 plus log 5 is 2 log 5 plus log 7. So the correct option is the B bit is the correct option here. B bit is the correct option. Let's go for the next one. Now here A is given as 0, 4 and B is given as 3, 0. Then the length of the line segment AB is. Options are 4, 3, 5 and 6 units. So like in A, x coordinate is 0 and in B, y coordinate is 0. So for this, I am taking the formula as root of x square plus y square. So upon substitution, in the x is 3, so x 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 9 plus 16 is root of 25. Root of 25 is 5. So the correct option is the C bit. CBT is the correct option. I am putting a tick over here just to make you all understand, but we have to write the answer in the bracket as C. We don't have to tick it actually, but as I'm making a video, that's why I'm just make you all understand I am ticking it. Please don't tick on the answers. We have to write the answer in the bracket provided against each question. 13th question, in triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC, and if AD is 3 centimeter, DB is 2 centimeter, AE is 6 centimeter, and EC is X centimeter, then value of X is. Right. Here we apply the basic proportionality theorem, BPT. So with that, AD by DB will be equal to AE by EC. Upon substitution the values, we get it as 3 by 2 is equal to 6 by X. AD is given as 3, DB is given as 2, AE is given as 6, and EC is given as X centimeter. On cross multiplication, we get X is equal to 6 into 2 divided by 3. That is 6 into 2 is 12. So X is equal to 12 by 3. 12 by 3 is nothing but 4. Next question. Next question is, if base radius of cone is 6 centimeter and slant height is 7 centimeter, then curved surface area of the cone is. The formula for the curved surface area of the cone is pi RL. So when we substitute these values, the value of pi is 22 by 7, R is given as 6, and L is 7. 7 get cancelled, we will get it as 22 into 6, that is 132. So D beat is the correct option. Question number 15. The angle between a tangent to a circle and radius drawn at the point of contact is. Radius, the tangent and radius will always be perpendicular at the point of contact. So the perpendicular makes an angle of 90 degrees. So the correct option is B over here. Next one. Number of subsets of set A equal to 1, 2, 3 is. Number of subsets of set A is equal to 2 power of n, where n is nothing but the number of elements. So where n is number of elements, so this changes to 2 power of 3. 2 power of 3 is 8. So the correct option is C bit. Let's look for the next one. The midpoint of the line segment AB, if A is 10, 7 and B is 4, -3. Well, for this, what I did is like it's a midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Or else what we all can do, add this two digits, 10 plus 4, how much it is? 14. 14 by 2 is 7. So only one option is there wherein the wherein x coordinate is 7. So I'm taking a of 7, 2. We don't have to look for other options. Meaning we don't have to check for other options. Directly we can like go for 7, 2. Next is, if cos of A minus 15 degrees is equal to sine 45 degrees, then A equal to. So cos of A minus 15 is equal to sine 45. Sine 45 and cos 45 both are same. So I'm writing it as cos of A minus 15 is equal to cos of 45 degrees. Now here cos and cos will get cancelled, and we'll be left with A minus 15 degrees is equal to 45 degrees. So A will be equal to 45 plus 15. A equal to 60 degrees. So the correct option is D, 60 degrees. Right. Next, which of the following pair of linear equations are consistent? Again, consistent means the other way of asking this question is a unique solution or intersecting lines. So if I look at the options, the only options which I felt which is correct is B bit, or else let me show you all. A1 is 2 here and A2 is 6. So 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. B1 is -3 and B2 is -9. 3 by 3 is again A1 by A2. Here we are getting it as equal to B1 by B2. We don't have to get A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. We have to get A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So here A1 is 2, B1 is 3. So 2 by 3 and B1 is 5 and B2 is 4, 5 by 4. So A1 by A2 here we are getting it as A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So for me this one is the correct option. Please make a note of this. Last question. If the first term 32 and common ratio 1 by 2 of a GP, then eighth term of the GP is. So this question is from GP means geometric progression. First term and common ratio are given and eighth term he is asking us to find. So A1 is equal to A is equal to 32, R is given as 1 by 2. The formula for eighth term A8 is AR power of 7. AR power of 7. So that is nothing but 32 into 1 by 2 to the power of 7. 1 by 2 to the power of 7 is 128 upon multiplication. The 32 multiplies with the numerator. 32 into 1 is 32. 32 by 128, which comes as 1 by 4. That's it about this. I hope how much time I have taken. I think 25 to 30 minutes I have taken to complete this one. So thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel at Nawaz Sir Official, or you can also search in YouTube at Math Matrix Guru for subscribing, and please don't forget to click on the bell icon. Inshallah, like I will come up with the next video. We'll do the section 1 in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.